Alright, so making another one of my amazing creations, the turkey sandwich. But it's not just any ordinary turkey sandwich. This turkey sandwich has wheat bread, avocado, white American cheese, and spinach. Oh, and olive oil. Really good. It's going to be pretty high in fats because of the avocado, the cheese, and the olive oil, but they're all healthy choices in terms of fat. A little bit, not so much the cheese, but as far as the avocado and the olive oil, you got your healthy fatty acids, your omega-3s, and of course, the turkey, plenty of protein. And with the spinach, you're getting plenty of iron. What else? Iron, and it's just it's a good way to just get your vegetables in. There's a lot of vitamins and nutrients in there, vitamin K. And so the first thing I do is I start off by opening up the guacamole, or the avocado. Well, actually it is guacamole. Actually, I think this is just avocado, it's not guacamole, nothing really added to it. And I just squeeze out a pretty good amount. By the way, this is what I'm going to be eating after my workout. I'm not eating this now. I'm going to pack this up and bring it to the gym with me, and I'm going to eat it after my core routine. I'm going to spread it on there just like butter. I mean, there's really nothing to this, guys. It's just, I tell you what the ingredients are, and you just make a sandwich out of it. The amount, the portion sizes, the amount of ingredients you use is purely up to you. This is what I have found to be a good balance. Next thing we do is we add the spinach. I like to use a lot of spinach. I like spinach. And once you become a health and fitness nut like me, you'll appreciate some of the foods that you really hated as a kid, including spinach. Well, I feel like I've always liked spinach as a kid, so. And then we're gonna add the turkey, and of course, we're muscleheads here, so use a lot of turkey, a lot of turkey. A little bit more. I'm gonna feel so full after this, but it's gonna feel so good to eat it. I'm a little bit hungry right now, but it's okay because it's not like I'm going to go do squats or anything. I'm just going for my core workout, which is going to be a maximum of 20-25 minutes to finish. Finally, all American white cheese. Not your first choice of cheese in terms of if you're trying to watch your weight, but for me, I can, I have a little bit of leeway with that. I'm not really trying to lose weight. If anything, I'm trying to gain weight. But this is just one of my favorite snacks to eat while building muscle. And wrap that up. And finally, which I forgot to get, is the olive oil. Now, I don't use a lot. I actually just use the olive oil for flavoring. But you really shouldn't be using a lot of olive oil in any instance. Put the olive oil on the bread and, kind of spread it around if you can. It's not really going to absorb into the bread because it's oil, it's not water. So spread it around like that. And just place it on top, right above the cheese. And that is my ultimate sandwich. Look at that. Looks good. You won't find these in your lunchbox. I mean, maybe you will if you make it. But. I love the car wash. I love the car wash.